Hey guys, so I'll be doing a mini vlog for you all today. I'm going out by train to visit Olumo Rock. Funny how this is my first time going to Olumo Rock here. So I'm visiting Olumo Rock and OOPL, and I want to take you guys on this journey with me. Stay tuned. Okay, so yes, we left the house at exactly, I think, 6:30 to 6:45 thereabout, and we're heading to the train station. So we had to get in on time in order to meet up with the 7:45 train movement, or whatever they call it. So yes, this is us. We had arrived at the train station at Yaba, and yes, we decided to look for where we could park the vehicle pending when we return. So I think for a day you have to pay for 1.5. Yes, depending on the number of days will determine the amount you'd pay. So guys,
oh, we can do a collaborative
video, right?
TikTok.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so hi guys. It's going to be a collaborative video.
That's right.
I'm not on my hair yet. I'm not used to my lip gloss.
We'll keep you guys posted.
Because we woke up early. I couldn't sleep, guys.
Am I not supposed to make
the
this video slam?
Look at the eye bags.
Now you know one sleep. For me, I shall slept to a large extent. Toyin gave me kata, guys.
And
so at this point, we were late. We were I think 7:40, so we had to run. And why this happened was because we're waiting for one of our friends that didn't get a ticket. Yes, got in eventually, and then I had some women talk down on me. Not really talk down on me, but they were just being overly dramatic. Yeah. And Tony was just being expressive of her fear of and yes, we had to look for a vehicle that would take us around Abeokuta, and yeah, so we're on our way to Olumo Rock. That was our first stop, and it was a smooth drive, though I think there was a part we passed. The old road was not smooth. Okay, so we arrived at Olumo Rock and we paid. Can't remember. Yes, we paid. Then here we had to eat, and Tony was shading me, saying that I was the one that brought up the idea of we must eat. And okay, so our first stop was the I think art gallery. I don't know. Yeah, and amazing artwork, by the way. Before we decided to go up the hills. And yes, we had to take nice pictures before starting the journey, and it came out really, 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 really nice. And this is just us having a short video before we started the journey. And okay, yes, so we had a great a great tour manager, if I can call her as that. Her name is Aisha. I would recommend her anytime, any day. She made it really smooth. At first we felt she had an attitude, but it went on really, really smooth. And yes, so yeah, I had to pick a call, a very important call. And yeah, so this is just us still energetic until we started the journey. No one told us where we were going to, but we just had to slay. I'm so grateful that I wore Crocs, because I wanted to even go in sandals before. I mean the Crocs was impromptu, because the sandal, I think there was a shift in the sandal, and I'm like, oh, okay, maybe this is God warning me ahead of time, so I had to get Crocs. And yeah, we had talks. I don't know if I hear my voice, but we had talks from based on the history of Olumo Rock and everything. So just enjoy it while it lasts. Yeah.
So when they are doing sacrifice, people are allowed to enter inside the shrine. That is Alake, which is the paramount god of the land. And hope you are hearing me. And that's the chief priest. Under this shrine, 1830 to 1832. And they keep the house under this shrine. They construct 5 rooms. They build 5 rooms under this place. Out of the 5 rooms, what happened that? That's very I see that. Yeah, this old. I see this old. Yeah. This one is drawn upon the people during the war time. As much as God, as much deeper. So the people came from Odo Empire. They come from Odo Empire. So they want to get the freedom of speech. They fight with the shouting Egbawa. That's where they get their name Egba. Egbawa means airports. So Egbawa. That's what they call them Egba. So I'm guessing here, the person that discovered the place for them is calling her that. That was a great sense. It's one of the hunting our family during the war time. They should come and hide under this place. And Alicia Abi was head of the war during the time. He's one that is going to go to the peak of the rock to look for their enemies. So when you see them, you come down and kill them before they reach here. And after they died in Tasi, another war came to them here. That war is called Ogun Idaomi, not by the Republic. So when the war finished in 1933, they now has the oracle. Do you know oracle?
Yes.
Some of you don't know oracle. Oracle is a shrine. They has the oracle. She should go back to here, we should stay here. The oracle told them to stay here. The God has put end to their wandering and sufferings. Yoruba means so the son is Olumo means that God has ended their wandering and suffering here. Another means Olumo Yoruba means God, mom means tomorrow. Olu means God in Yoruba and mom.
I must say Aisha is a great teacher. I mean, she made sure she explained every bit of Olumo Rock, the history, everything, the cold fridge, everything. Okay, so one good thing about this water is that you can drink it, and people were drinking it, but I did not, and I didn't want to touch anything.
This is where they call it Orisha Shrine. Orisha means God of longevity.
So can we video? Sorry, can we video?
Yes, you can video.
Okay, thank you.
I'm
very good.
All this mama here, they believe that when they worship this God, they're going to live.
Yeah.
All this mama, they believe that when they worship this shrine, they're going to live. That is how the mama that they are here for 38 years. That's the picture. Magda Olumo. They are here for 38 years. In the year 2022, she just died.
Wow.
She's part of the people I met when I
Hey! Who sang the song? It's still portable, but it's remixed. Oh, I thought it was remixed. Start again. Teach us. Ekowa. Oya Kemajo. I want more portable.
I'm going first.
Leave him now. Yeah, come. Leave him now. Everywhere. I'm at the front now. Leave him. Yeah, come.
Is this how we are coming back?
No, another way. No.
Please
Oh, yeah, come, oh.
don't promise you can do. In the name of Jesus. I'm not sure I want to go.
You can go. Come.
Aisha, come and help me carry my bag.
Okay, ma.
Wait, though. Let her come. Wait for
Don't worry, let me help her.
Wait till they confess.
Yeah, go.
No, let her come here. She can.
Aisha, I can do it, though.
You can do it.
I can't.
You can do it.
Face your fears. Come, move.
Come. Help me with the hand, yeah.
You're still crying. Ow.
You can do it.
Yes. Where's the other one? Take it. You can. Where's the other one? I'm scared. Wait.
You can't fall.
Put your leg by this side of the straw. Look at me.
This other rock.
See, put your
Yeah.
Yeah, you can come now. You can.
Come.
Yeah, come. Leave her. Yeah, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Yeah.
Please welcome to the front. you are leading the way. Who was leading the way?
Thank you, Jesus.
Wait, don't go yet. So let me be there. Come.
Yeah. I be follow like this. Let me start this.
Wait, wait.
Who is that?
I got here finally.
She made it.
She made it.
I'm not capping. I almost failed.
Interview me. How was your experience?
How was your experience?
That was big. Yorubas will say Olumo Rock. I take money, buy it.
How did you find the rock finding?
Yorubas will say
Not going
Olumo
there.
Rock. I take money, buy it.
No.
Can we return? I'm grateful to Kabiyesi.
You give testimony in church too.
Because
We have to give
I
testimony
can
because
do
I
all
almost
this to
failed.
Christ who strengthens me.
Amen. Sorry, tell me how was your experience?
This last part was even the worst because I almost failed.
Jesus.
My class is watching.
Hey, sorry. How was your experience? Oh, you're brave. You're very brave. Oh, sweet land. Sweet land. I miss you. Don't leave me. And then we got to the spot where we wanted to turn back. We cannot turn back. We can't turn back. Not going back. Not going back. Upward only. Oh, goodness.
Nigeria and Abeokuta, you are going to study here. The first church in Nigeria and West Africa is in Abeokuta. That's the first church in Nigeria and West Africa. You see a school on the building. I see that school on the building.
Okay.
Yes.
That white, that has a pole on his head.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
You can see. Yes. Yeah, I can see.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. It was fun. It was educative. You know, I mean, like I would recommend this place. We're so happy here. Oh my God, thank you. I'm so tired. And so after this, we left there and we stopped at the restaurant. So people didn't really come out, but we got really nice fabrics and it was quite affordable. So I would recommend this place to you. I don't know the place. So we headed to OOPL. I don't know if I got it right, but OOPL. And we didn't do so much because we had to catch up with the train. So we just had a view and we were short of time, so we didn't stay for a very long time. Immediately we got into the lodge, we were exhausted and we took our time to relax, and Toyin was feeling, I don't know the right word to use, Toyin was catching her own vibes because she was trying to drag me. So you see all of this in this video, and stay tuned. Toyin, she already see me. If I speak to Yoruba, it's because she was not answering me now. I almost fell.
She was saying no. You said, should I remove it? She said no. Should I take it off? No.
The Crocs, I'm not even lying. Well, I was already even going to the back.
I get you because I'm wearing socks, so my was even slippery with the socks.
Toyin was not saying move forward. I want to move You know when you get to a point whereby everybody for themselves, like you just have to get to the top and return. So that was the mood I was in, and I'm like, Toyin was not saying move forward. See you. And even that made me move.
There was at that point, Tomisi now
Yes.
when Tomisi could not move, she now said, don't look. Me too, I'm not looking. So when I was standing, Toyin was brave. I can see in his eyes he was scared.
What an experience, God I beg. I know feel move. But Victoria, say now because it's in my back. Now why I even fear them? I've been working with them, Mercy sister. I did not have. Oh, sorry, it's Rachel I was working with. I did not have issues. It was the final lap when Rachel left me. I had issues. Toyi was now.
Victoria and Rachel said, I can't. No, I said, let's go. I said, if I stay with these people, I'll cry. As Messi said, never again. In my mind, I just said never again.
Okay, so after the chit chat, we stepped out to have a clearer view as to how OOPL is, and then we saw the boat cruise, we saw paint and sip, we had a view as to the library, and then we headed out to an Amala junction, and I think it's located at Surulere around Abeokuta, and I must say that the Amala tastes really nice. At first I was skeptical, but it actually really tastes nice. Then we headed to the train station, and that was it, guys. I mean, we had like fun time. I don't know if that would count, though. Coming back was chilled compared to going in the morning. But the crowd was a lot, but I hope you guys would be safe, and I'll be expecting your review. Bye.